Kamba would be the language that we use. There'd be no other, no, no, no. Come on now, Mose, I hope you understand. You're the best that I have. If I had your number, I'd be forever calling you. I hope you answer, girl. We speak the Luo when we through. Nyakoti back to tendile. Atoti back to tendile. And if love had a face, it would be yours. If love had a face, it would be yours. If love had a face, it would be yours. If love had a face, it would be yours. Aheri Jabel, aheri Kairetu, aheri Jabel, aheri Kairetu, aheri Jabel, aheri Kairetu, aheri Jabel, aheri Kairetu, Kairetu. I got your number from your friend Wasera, akanipa mawaidha, eti unapenda maua, eti nipige pamba na marashi ya kishua, kisha tuende dina, nikupigie kagita. And if love had a face, it would be yours. If love had a face, if love had a face, had a face, it would be yours. If love had a face, it would be yours. Aheri Jabel, aheri Kairetu, como tu tapel. Aheri Kairetu, aheri Jabel, aheri Kairetu, aheri Jabel.